feeding your curiosity, fueling our passion. Let's satisfy our quest for knowledge with today's question.
Molasses isn't just for baking. It's an incredibly versatile kitchen staple. Unexpectedly, it can enhance homemade barbecue sauces with a rich, smoky sweetness, making your grilling stand out. Adding a spoonful to marinades can tenderize and add a unique depth of flavor to meats. Vegetarian dishes benefit from its robustness, offering a hearty complexity to lentils or baked beans. Moreover, crafting vinaigrettes with molasses introduces a novel, sweet, tangy profile to your salads. For the adventurous, try incorporating molasses into ice creams for an old-fashioned, caramel-like treat.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.